Are you tossing and turning every night, waking up more tired than before you went to bed? Here's the truth. Poor sleep doesn't just make you groggy. It can actually shorten your life. Yes, you heard that right. Chronic lack of quality sleep increases your risk of heart disease, memory loss, diabetes, and even early death. But the good news? You can fix it, starting today. As we age, sleep changes. It's common to wake up more during the night, sleep lighter, or fall asleep earlier. But just because it's common doesn't mean it's healthy. Studies show that seniors who sleep less than 6 hours a night have a 33% higher risk of dying earlier than those who sleep well. Lack of sleep also speeds up brain aging, weakens your immune system, and makes you more vulnerable to falls and depression. That's why today's video is crucial for your health and your life. Let's get to the fixes. Simple, proven, and natural. Mistake number 1. Using screens. Before bed, blue light from phones, tablets, or TVs tells your brain it's daytime. It blocks melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. Fix. Turn off all screens at least 1 hour before bed. Try reading a physical book instead. Mistake number 2. Napping. Too late in the day. A late nap can rob you of deep night sleep. Fix. If you need a nap, keep it short, no more than 30 minutes, and do it before 3 p.m. Mistake number 3. Inconsistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at different times confuses your body clock. Fix. Set a regular bedtime and wake up time, even on weekends. Lack of sleep doesn't just make you tired, it affects every major organ. Your brain can't clear out waste, your heart rate stays high, and your blood sugar spikes. It also reduces your body's ability to fight infections. That's why poor sleepers catch more colds and take longer to recover. Over time, this weakens your body and shortens your lifespan. 1. The power of light. Get 15 to 30 minutes of natural sunlight every morning. It resets your body clock and boosts melatonin production at night. 2. Create a sleep sanctuary. Keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Use blackout curtains. Remove all electronics. Try calming scents like lavender. 3. Evening routine. That works. Build a wind-down ritual. Drink warm chamomile tea. Take a warm bath. Play soft music or do light stretching. 4. The sleep foods. You should eat bananas, almonds, and oatmeal contain magnesium and tryptophan, nutrients that help you sleep deeper. 5. Don't ignore sleep apnea. If you snore loudly or wake up gasping, you might have sleep apnea, a dangerous condition that blocks breathing. Talk to your doctor. A simple test could save your life. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. If you want to live longer, protect your memory, and stay active as you age, you must take your sleep seriously. Start small, try just one tip tonight. Then add another tomorrow. Within days, you'll feel the difference. And within weeks, your body will thank you. Because better sleep isn't just about rest. It's about giving yourself the gift of more healthy years ahead. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you love, and subscribe for more health tips designed for seniors like you. Sweet dreams, and take care.